Where'd he go? You gonna do back? Oh, boys and their toys. I like his helmet though.
He was going to overtake me on a fucking roundabout, the knobhead. Ah, look at him. Ah! No, it doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. You should have been told by your parents, or at least somebody at school, how to do that properly, not just stop the car when you feel like it. That is not how it works. I'm gonna try that. Next time I'm at a roundabout and I want to just pull out on someone, I'll just stick my hand out the window, force them to stop, and just hope for the best. That might work. That might just work. Wow. It's not even parked on the edge, it's just parked smack bang in the middle of it. That's pretty special, man. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh. You're reversing down a one-way system, my man. But okay. Such is life. What a mess. What a mess. So instead of just stopping for the lights, what you got to do when you're driving is go through the lights and then block the road, act like a bit of an idiot, because that's acceptable in Bristol. That is like perfectly acceptable behaviour in Bristol. That is just pure lazy, man. That is just pure f***ing laziness. When there was a crossing literally inches to the left of him. Wow. This is the intelligence of people of Bristol, boys and girls. Anyone watching this, and you're all wondering to yourself, oh, I wonder how intelligent people of Bristol are. That's how intelligent they are. They'll cross literally inches away from a proper crossing. You're probably wondering to yourself, I wonder how educated people in Bristol are, and that's how it. Oh, and then it speeds up after forcing me to slow down. So that's how smart people are in Bristol. Hey, look, it's Yoda. I'm Princess Leia. Oh wow! Ooh, Jedi you are. Ooh, tailgating you are. Fucking wanker. He did that on purpose. He did that on fucking purpose, the prick. Take me home. Da-da-da. Woo! To the place. Da-da-da.
But I got a pointy car.
Oh, you can't see that car over there, can you?
What car?
Exactly.
What car you want to buy?
I know. All I can see is just a flashing light. It's just coming out of nowhere.
I see a set of wheels, but I didn't see any bodywork. Do you?
No, it just disappeared.
You twat. The bus stop. Well done, well done. I don't understand some people, because there was no need to sort of launch towards me, because he couldn't go anywhere because I was blocking the road. There was literally nowhere he could go. So even if I did be nice and let him go, I mean, the road would be blocked. So what do you expect me to do? I don't understand. Some people are strange, man. Some people are fucking strange. Oh, you little fucker. Oh, I was mid-yawn as well. You know what? I'm going to include it in the video, but I'm going to let him off because he's not from this country, so you probably don't know the rules, but still, excellent parking.
That wasn't a police car.
No, but I was making a sign of a police car. Good luck getting past those in your wheelchair. Also, good luck crossing over as well, because there's a van on the other side. Wakey wakey! Do you know what? I'm actually going to clarify why I take the piss out of people that park stupid like that. Because once upon a time, like a few weeks ago, someone on my Snapchat sent me a video of them trying to get past all these parked cars in their wheelchair. And I was like, you know what? That's actually really selfish. That's actually really f***ing stupid. To, like, you know, how entitled have you got to be? How self-entitled have you got to be to stick your car in the middle of a path and stop people in wheelchairs and prams and stuff from getting past? It's like, yes, that's proper selfish. That pisses me off. So I thought I'd start including it in videos. It's not technically bad driving. No, they're not pulling out in front of me. They're not trying to crash into me, but they are. That's bad driving. You didn't park like that. You didn't park like a knobhead and block the path, do you? So that's why I include it in the videos. And because I'm a nice person, I wanna spread the hate, and I wanna try and educate a little bit of education. It's more just for the comedy, but I want to educate people and try and what's the right way of putting it? Stop people from being idiots. So yeah, if you're gonna park, do it sensibly. Don't be a knobhead. Ooh, and that would be a red light. Hello. I should probably watch what I say, because my missus watches these videos. Alex, he watches these videos, so sorry, I'm so sorry. That's how you cut across 3 lanes in your BMW. Wow. Do you know what? Again, it's not often this happens, but I'm going to congratulate you. I'm going to give you praise for keeping back and keeping it a reasonable distance, even though your car sounds like a lawnmower. Well done, whoever you are. This does not happen in Bristol when you keep a safe distance. It's nice when people do that. Like, this is why I'm making a fuss. I know some of you are like pretty bored. Oh, shut up, Benji. This is true. No one ever gives a sensible following distance. So, well done to this person. Well done. Leave a like if you want a good Drivers of Bristol episode, because there's been a few of them lately. There's been some very nice people. So yeah, leave a like if you want that video. Old car spotting! What is that? I don't recognise it. Not the best colour, is it? It's a bit green. Don't text and drive, you fucking idiot. Do you know what? I am stumped why there are so many bad drivers in Bristol. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, what have we got in front of us? Oh no.
Of all the money that e'er I had, I've spent it in but come on me, and all that e'er I've done, at last it was to none but me, and all I've done for
No, I didn't. I didn't just fucking go for a red light, did I? What a fucking idiot! Wow! 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 Wow!
So fill to me the parting glass. Good night.